Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Adobe error 182 fix because of installation failed and blah blah blah. So let's start. So let's jump into the Adobe community first. So error 82 installing Adobe desktop application. So this error occurs when the installation files are incorrect for the computer they are installed on. If your Creative Cloud or CC individual member or self-managed the installation computer application, then see this. So here make sure you download through Creative Cloud apps. And here the main culprit is your Creative Cloud. So if it doesn't work, please go to the Adobe's customer service. Make sure you sign in your Adobe account first and allow pop-ups on your browser. You can click this, will automatically open the chat window, type agent, and also you can try to resetting the CC app. So you can Ctrl Alt R to reset Creative Cloud desktop app. Make sure it is in foreground, then press this one. And if this doesn't work, try uninstall and reinstall the CC app. If all this solution didn't work, you can try to go to the Adobe customer service. Make sure your Adobe software is original, not the pirate. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so button below. See you in the next video.